What is Vijay trying to do in this scene every time he tells people about his dates? He is just using visual cue to further reinforce his message, to make his message more memorable. And this is a technique that you can very easily use in your own presentations to make your message memorable every time you talk to people. The first time you can use something like this is in your introduction, when you say, I'm going to cover 3 points in today's presentation. The first one is going to be the updates from the previous quarter. The second one is going to be the plans that we have for the next quarter. And the third is going to be the questions that I take from the audience to understand or answer any doubts that you might have. The second time that you can use visual cues is when you actually hit those points during your presentation and you say, all right, to begin with, first one, I'm going to talk about the updates from the last quarter, and you go ahead and talk about those updates. And then you say, second, I'm going to talk about the projections for the future, the upcoming quarter. So what happens? You are simply using a technique called anchoring by saying the first point, the second point, and the third point. By telling people, I'm on the first point, I'm on the second point now, and moving on to the third one. This may seem like a very small thing, but adding such visual cues and reinforcing that with your voice when you say the first one, the second one, makes a huge difference in the way your audience is going to remember your message, in your message being more memorable. And the bonus thing that you get over here is when you do something like this, it actually pulls people out of their distractive state, which is very normal for people to get distracted between your first point and your second point. But your announcement that you're moving on to the next point really brings their attention back to your presentation, and they can join in from wherever they left it. So if you like this tip, tell me in the comments. If you want to learn more about being effective in your presentations, tell me what is it that you'd like me to cover. Make sure that you like the video, share it with people who you think will find beneficial, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of these future videos. Thank you so much.